Hello my friends, welcome to my channel Library Hunter. In case you don't know me yet, my name is Cathy. In our last video, we explored the Salt Lake City Main Library, especially focusing on the fascinating children's section. And today, let's continue our walking tour inside this beautiful library. In this video, we'll turn through intriguing pages, delve into the masterful interior design, and relish scenic views of Utah's cityscape and majestic mountains. As we explore this remarkable structure, you'll discover its many facets that make it an exceptional part of Salt Lake City. One of the library's most striking features is the 6-story curving walkable wall that embraces the public plaza. On the ground level, you'll find charming shops and essential services. As we ascend, the reading galleries above offer a serene and contemplative space to dive into the world of books. As we explore the library's interior, you'll notice the striking, spiraling fireplaces on 4 floors, resembling a column of flames. These design elements not only provide warmth, but also add to the library's aesthetic appeal. The Book Review Digest began in 1905 as a monthly publication with an annual cumulation. It is still published today, both in annual volumes and in an online database. The Salt Lake City Main Library is a true architectural marvel that stands as a testament to the city's spirit and creativity. It opened its doors in February 2003, and since then it remains one of Utah's most distinctive and inspiring landmarks. Spanning an impressive 240,000 square feet, the main library is far more than just a repository of books and computers. It's a vibrant hub that reflects the city's imagination and aspirations. The City Library has made a strong commitment to reaching out to and serving young adults. Designed to appeal to teens, the Teen Lounge contains materials of high interest for that age group as well as literature published especially for them. The media and technology in this area encourage group study as well as individual exploration. From here, we can look down into the children's library, which is a light-filled 5-story atrium. As mentioned in my last video, the children's library can be observed from all of the floors above. Cloth clouds or sails are pulled across the space to provide shade during the warmer Utah months. As we move up in the building from floor to floor, you may notice that it gets quieter because the study-oriented areas are designed on the upper levels. One of the library's hidden gems is the multi-level reading area along the glass lens, located on the southern facade. From here, we are treated to breathtaking views of the city skyline and the majestic Wasatch Mountains beyond. It's a perfect spot to enjoy a good book while being surrounded by the beauty of nature. natural light is introduced into all of the spaces where people sit and work. Infused with light from all sides, the library has paid careful attention to ensure that library materials and technology are not affected by direct sunlight. The clear glass on the lens of the triangle has the highest UV rating available for energy efficiency. Indirect lighting fixtures reflect off the painted arched ceilings to cast even light, reducing glare on computer screens, desk surfaces, and book pages. As we continue to move up, you will notice that the library has a small but very interesting collection of old and rare materials, plus examples of various types of publishing and items of special significance to the SLC region. The Salt Lake City Public Library is also an official passport application acceptance facility. According to its official website, you can apply for a U.S. passport and/or passport card at the passport office. The outdoor plaza surrounding the library can accommodate thousands for public and private events. It was designed to create opportunities for community festivals, events, and celebrations. The rooftop terrace and gardens are currently under renovation through 2023. According to the librarians, the rooftop terrace offers a 360-degree panorama of the Salt Lake Valley, which will give us a unique perspective of the city's layout and natural surroundings. Rooftop terrace is also home to multiple beehives that are kept by the local beekeeper. It's such a shame that it is temporarily closed. Look at this giant double elephant folio book. Based on my quick research, this is the inaugural American edition of John James Audubon's The Birds of America in the double elephant folio format. It marks a milestone in ornithological art and literature. It showcases Audubon's exquisite avian illustrations on an unprecedented scale, forever altering the course of American natural history and art. These exhibits expose thousands of Salt Lake City residents to a wide variety of art media, including paintings, watercolors, drawings, collage, photography, and sculpture. Tucked away in a serene corner of the library, this area is perfect for reading or working. Sunlight bathes the space through the generous windows, revealing a mesmerizing vista of the city below, with the majestic mountains standing on the horizon. Salt Lake City Main Library is not just a place for books. It's a symbol of the city's commitment to culture, education, and the arts. It is definitely worthy of a visit to explore its architectural wonders and embrace the inspiring atmosphere that makes it a true gem in the heart of Utah. The browsing library on the first floor makes it easy for patrons to find popular, current, and high-demand items. Oh, by the way, I'm trying to replace the texts in the video with a voiceover, hoping you can enjoy the visual instead of reading word by word. If you like this style, give me a thumb up, please. If you prefer the pure music version or have any suggestions for my videos and channel, please leave a comment too. And that concludes our library walking tour at Salt Lake City. Hope you've enjoyed this journey with me. Feel free to explore more in my other videos and leave your comments to let me know which library you'd like me to visit next. See you all next time. Bye.